The marina's been here 80 years. We cater to boaters and fishermen. We have a little bit of everything. We have lodging, we have basic grocery store. Hi, my name is John Killius. This is Henchen Marina. We're in Henderson Harbor, New York, which is 17 miles south of Watertown. Literally, we're 10 miles off the interstate, but this is a different world here. We're bracketed by 2 state parks. We're not that far from Clayton, A-Bay, other attractions. It's a great community, but it's a small community, and everybody's pretty much working for the same thing. You know, it's recreational boating or fishing, and we all survive on that. We all make our living off the water. Without the water, you're not fishing. Last year we had literally devastating floods here. Everybody was flooded. People just didn't use their boats last year. We were out of our store. We couldn't work out of the store. We couldn't let customers in it because we just had standing water. So we literally operated out of a rental shed in our driveway. The Fishing Guides Association here in Henderson contributed the wood for the dock on the dock. The members came and literally helped build the dock on the dock and take it out when we were done. So, you know, it was working together. So there was a lot of help and a lot of back and forth, but it was all good. This year, we're back to basically normal water levels. Everything is good, everything's great. The water levels are good. The weather's been great, the fishing's good. Well, we're glad to be back in the store instead of the shed. You know, people are very happy that we're not underwater. I just got too many hours and too much time invested in the place and the job and the business and the properties. You know, it's become a huge part of my life, and I love it here. I wouldn't keep coming back if I didn't. We're rebuilding, pardon our mess, we're gonna get there. Fishing this year is very good, and it's better than last year. I think it's just the way it is. You know, you have great years, you have good years. This year's shaped up to be a great year.